If your Gmail is sending automatic replies and you want to turn them off, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stop auto-reply in Gmail in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy fix, whether you accidentally turned on the vacation responder or you simply don't want Gmail sending out replies anymore. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guidelines. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account where the auto reply is turned on. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings gear icon. This opens the quick settings panel. From there, click see all settings. That will take you to Gmail's full settings page where you can change more detailed options. Now scroll down through the settings until you find the vacation responder section. This is the feature that sends automatic replies when it's enabled. If the vacation responder is turned on, click vacation responder off to disable it. Once that is selected, don't forget the final step. Scroll or look for the Save Changes button and click it to apply your update. Gmail will now stop sending automatic reply messages from that account. And that's it. You've successfully turned off auto-reply in Gmail. No more automatic vacation responses, and your inbox will now stay under your control. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.